It's like finding a diamond in the rough, a solution that's environmentally friendly without compromising on functionality or performance. But IBM's AI research doesn't stop at just finding sustainable materials. It also plays a pivotal role in optimizing the manufacturing process. By predicting the outcomes of different steps in the production process, the AI models can suggest the most efficient pathways. This means less waste, less energy consumption, and ultimately a smaller carbon footprint. Think of it like a GPS for sustainable manufacturing. It charts the best route, avoiding unnecessary detours and dead ends, ensuring the journey from raw materials to finished product is as green as possible. And this isn't a distant, futuristic vision. It's happening right now, in labs and factories around the world, thanks to the power of AI. This case study is a shining example of how AI can be harnessed to make chemistry more sustainable, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. As we've seen, AI's role in sustainable chemistry is transformative. It's the unseen hero, the silent game changer, the catalyst in the pursuit of a cleaner, greener world. By helping us discover new, eco-friendly materials, it opens up the doorway to a world of possibilities we've barely begun to explore. From optimizing chemical processes to accelerating research, AI is the driving force, an enabler that's propelling us towards a sustainable future. It's not just about reducing waste or improving efficiency, it's about a whole new paradigm of doing things, a revolution in how we think about and interact with our environment. The synergy of AI and sustainable chemistry is a powerful one. It's a partnership that's not just beneficial for the environment, but also for society at large. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the impact it can have on our world. Harnessing AI for sustainable chemistry isn't just about creating eco-friendly processes and materials, it's about paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future.